Meet the Devtron SRE agent, your AI-powered assistant for DevOps and SRE workflows. It can take actions, answer questions, and help you manage your infrastructure, applications, and Kubernetes clusters, all through natural conversation. Let's start with a common scenario: onboarding a brand new application. Here, we're simply asking the agent to create and deploy an app called Abiva Demo using a Git repository. We specify which cluster to deploy it on, and that's it. The agent takes over from there. Watch how it thinks through the task, figures out what's needed, and then asks us to verify a few details. We quickly fill those in, hit submit, and the agent creates the application for us. Now our app is ready. One click on Build and Deploy, and it triggers the entire pipeline, building the container image and deploying it to the cluster. Let's give it a moment to finish the build. There we go. The deployment has started. If we navigate to the application link, we can see the deployment kicked off just a few seconds ago. The pod was created moments ago. Let's wait for it to come up. And we're live. The application is healthy. The deployment status is green. Everything's up and running. That's it, from Git repo to a fully deployed application, in just a few minutes. No YAML wrangling, no pipeline configuration headaches, just a simple conversation. But the SRE agent isn't just for deployments. It's also incredibly useful for troubleshooting. Here's another example. We're inside a Kubernetes cluster, and we ask the agent, find all the unhealthy pods in this cluster. Notice, we didn't have to specify which cluster. The agent automatically understands the context based on the page we're on. It analyzes the cluster and gives us a clear summary of every pod that needs attention. We can see some pods are stuck in image pullback off. Others are in crash loop back off. Instantly, we have visibility into what's broken and where. Now let's go deeper. Say we want to understand why a specific pod is failing. We click Explain with AI, and the agent launches a focused analysis on just that pod. It examines the logs, events, and manifest to figure out exactly what went wrong. Here's the result. The issue is a missing config map. The agent even provides steps to verify and fix it. But we're curious. Are there any other issues? So we ask a follow-up question. Watch the agent's thought process. It recognizes we've already discussed the config map problem, understands we're asking about additional issues, and surfaces more findings. Resource limits are too low, which could cause OOM killed errors or throttling. The image pull policy isn't set, and the pod phase is stuck in pending. Best of all, it ranks these issues by priority, so we know exactly where to focus first. That's the Devtron SRE agent. Onboard apps in minutes, get instant visibility into cluster health, and debug issues with AI-powered analysis, all without leaving your workflow.